What's up, guys? It's Billy. We're back in the garage, and I got a new car. Well, new to me at least.
So what you see here is a 2007 Honda Civic. I picked it up the other day. The body is in generally good shape, and it actually drives pretty well. The pros are obviously the K20 Z3, which puts out about 200 horsepower, as well as your 6-speed manual. The car is lowered on coilovers and has a Skunk 2 Mega Power exhaust. Other than that, it's pretty clean, close to stock otherwise. You got aftermarket wheels. Let's take a look in the engine bay. So you can see there's a little intake here, but generally everything else is stock. There are some downsides, like there's an oil leak, and of course the big kicker, which is it has 300,000 miles on the car. Now, I was told that it was less than that it was 140, so maybe it's been rebuilt or swapped or whatever, but either way, it runs pretty well. There are some other cons like the steering and the tires. We'll take a look here in a second, but these front tires have got to go. So I've ordered new tires for that. I've also ordered new inner tie rod ends after shaking the car down because the steering is very disconnected. So other than that, everything else is pretty solid. There are some bonuses. So obviously I mentioned the Skunk 2 exhaust, as well as it did come with a full extra set of wheels, as well as the Honda Flash Pro. So there were a couple things that did go along with the car that kind of sweetened the deal. Maybe what encouraged me to buy it for what I paid for it. But other than that, it's a decent car, and I think with a little bit of work, it can be pretty nice. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the interior. Overall, the interior is in actually decent shape. I think it needs to be cleaned. It smells kind of like somebody smoked in it constantly and then tried to cover it up, and it just kind of smells a little dingy. But other than that, the upholstery is in decent shape. The dash is in good shape. All the floor mats and everything are there. Other than that, the seat bolsters, good shape. But really the shifter and the steering wheel are the only thing that needs to be addressed in the interior.
All right, guys, so I'll just wrap it up here. Like I said, the car has 300,000 miles on it. Guy said the engine has 140. Don't know if that's true or not. It drives all right. Engine and transmission actually feel good. The biggest issues are the steering, the tires, and the shifter feel. Once I fix those things, I think I'll have actually a nice driving vehicle. There's a couple little oil leaks and stuff like that I'm going to investigate. It's got some aftermarket parts, as well as some bonus parts that I got with the deal. But other than that, it is what it is. This is the new car. Other than that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.